Hello everyone, this is Donner and Alize's puppies. This is going to be our newborn video. We have two silver females and one silver male, and with blues we have three blue males and one blue female. Everybody's doing great. Miss Alize is coming in the picture here. Everybody's doing great. Alize is doing fantastic with these guys. Our website should be updated the next couple days. We did make a change. At the very end, we made a change for Donner and Alize instead of Cupid and Alize. So that'll be updated. But again, we have Donner and Alize's puppies here. With the silver, we have two silver females, one silver male. With blues, we have three blue males and one blue female. And if you have any questions, just let us know. These guys will be going to the vet tomorrow to have their tails docked and dew claws removed. And we'll be doing an update as we normally do every week to 10 days or so with our video. Their waiting list is just now starting. We've had several interested, and their list will take shape soon. These guys will be ready to join their forever homes around the first week in March. So keep checking our Facebook page. It's going to be updated quicker than the website, and we will keep you guys posted. Thank you so much.